Hello guys, this is the second part of our distribution series. In this series we will continue our food distribution work in needy areas, in those people houses whose work are affected due to lockdown of coronavirus. So stay tuned. God bless you. So we went to the different slums areas. Then we unload the ration bags and started our distribution program. So we continued our work door to door and reached to the people houses as much as we can, and we figure out the houses in which the food is necessary needed and compulsory needed. So we targeted them, and it's our first priority to went to those homes. So we knocked the door and delivered the food bags at the doorstep of the people and delivered in some houses also. My heart was cried to see that how people are surviving, and when I went in those areas and as I put the food bag in the home, the children excitedly picked it up, and they are very happy, and I can't explain you their happiness in the words. So my heart was cried at that time, and I thank God that you chose us for this work to share the blessings of food with other people and share the happiness in this hard time with the people. COVID-19 lockdown badly affected the world, and it's also badly affected the Pakistan. Pakistan is a poor country, so it has a very bad impact on our economy and our people who are working as a daily wage. So I was really shocked to see the response of the people that they are waiting for someone to come and share the blessings with them. And even I went in one home. Also, we only make the videos of few houses only to share with the people and our friends who contributed in this work. So we hide the faces of the people who received the food bag. The reason is that we don't want to hurt their self-respect. Even in some houses, there is no proper kitchen, no proper system of washing, and no proper washrooms. So you can imagine that how hard is life, how hard people are spending life in Pakistan. I saw that people are waiting for the food, and you can imagine that children are waiting for the food, and they are in very bad circumstances. During distribution, the verse came in my mind from Matthew chapter 25 and verse 35, that for I was hungry and you gave me food, I was thirsty and you gave me drink, I was a stranger and you took me in, I was naked and you clothed me, I was sick and you visited me, I was in prison and you came to me. Then the righteous will answer him, saying, Lord, when did we see you hungry and feed you, or thirsty and give you drink? When did we see you a stranger and take you in, or naked and clothe you? Or when did we see you sick or in prison and come to you? And the king will answer and say to them, as surely I say to you, as you did it to one of the least of these my brethren, you did it to me. So it is our mission and vision and passion to empower the people of Pakistan, to empower the community, to educate these children, and to educate them in the way so that they have a good life in the future. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, and stay tuned for the next part. Thanks for watching.